Hi, I'm Larry. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to talk to you not so much about a recipe, but more about an idea. The crostini. It is something that is amazing to me because you can do anything with it. You can top them with anything. It's like the burrito or a pizza. No, there's no limits. You can put whatever you want on it. Today I'm going to make a couple different crostinis for you that I like to do. For a party, they're great. You can have them out on a platter. You can pre-make them. As far as toasting the bread the day before, then assemble that morning. We've done an event here where we had just a crostini party and had 45 different ingredients out. It's all about creating different flavors on this little toasted piece of bread. It's a great thing. So let me get some bread toasted and we'll get going from there. First, we're going to slice on the bias. Okay, like I said, this is more about ideas, not necessarily a recipe. These are some flavors that I've worked with before and I've really enjoyed them, so I'd like to pass them on to you today. Like I said before, kids are involved, Nutella and banana, you cannot go wrong with that. Great to have a separate platter with those. You can even do some chocolate chips on top if you'd like. A few of the ones that I've made today are a goat cheese with a radish, lemon zest, and some fresh cracked pepper. We have a blue cheese with dates and pancetta. We have a goat cheese with strawberries, blueberries, and mint. We have a goat cheese with cucumber and fresh dill. We also have a brie with bacon and chive. And we have a blackberry with goat cheese. This is all about letting your creativity go. Put out 50 ingredients. Let your guests experience it. Let them have fun with it. You cannot do anything wrong. It's a crostini. There we go. There's my version of a couple crostinis. Please, guys, let's dive into this. Leave your crostinis in the comments below. Let me see what you can come up with. It's limitless. Trust me, this is a small little portion of what we can do. If you've liked what you've seen here today, please share and subscribe to our channel. There's many more videos coming up. Bon appetit.